Hi everyone, Jennifer here. Today we're going to explore the third biggest enemy to homemakers. Welcome back to the Daily Connoisseur. My name's Jennifer and I'm a working and homeschooling mother of 4 children. I have a lot of experience as a homemaker, and in this series I explore the roadblocks that we face as keepers of the home. This video is not just for women like me, but all men and women who struggle with looking after their space. We all desire to live in a beautiful and serene space. That is synonymous with a tidy space. But how can we keep our home clean and beautiful and still keep our sanity? It's an interesting conundrum for sure, but I use a technique to explore living well. I look at the roadblocks I face. I look at what holds me back and what's keeping me from achieving what I desire. So, are you ready to hear the third biggest enemy? No, the next biggest enemy isn't actually having a hole in your blanket, although if you want to know more about that, be sure to watch the second biggest enemy to homemakers. No, the one that we're going to be talking about today is unpreparedness. Unpreparedness. Yes, being unprepared. How can this prevent us from keeping our homes as we would like? Well, when we are disorganized and unprepared, we become frustrated and waste valuable time trying to find what we need to complete our tasks throughout the day. That's just a shallow look at the matter, however. But truly, this is a very deep issue. In order to run an effective home, we need to be prepared. Prepared with our meals, prepared with our cleaning, prepared for each day through our organization. When I lived in Paris with Madame Chic, I marveled at how she ran her home. Her home was run like a small boutique hotel. Meals were planned and on time like clockwork. The house was always tidy and organized. There weren't explosions of clutter here and there. There was no chaos. So how can we be prepared like Madame Chic? We can set everything aside and sit down and decide to take this homemaking business seriously, even though you don't get paid for it. Even though you might already have another job, you can look at homemaking as your job as well, one that you delight in. Get intentional about meal planning. Keep your cleaning supplies organized and in strategic areas in your home so when it's time to clean, you are totally ready. Set yourself up with a routine that you can stick to. In short, be prepared. Homemaking, though it can be overwhelming and exhausting, is also deeply satisfying work. Be prepared for all of its challenges and all of its beauty, and you will not regret the time you spend doing so. I hope you're enjoying my Homemakers series. I'll see you next time on the Daily Connoisseur. Goodbye.